Hey, it's your boy Derek. You're about rimless. Let's dive in. So, most of the time you get that person that walks in, oh no, I need to put my temple back on the lens. And don't be afraid. First thing you want to do is take out the old bushings first. Now, sometimes you got a new one you're gonna put all together, so this video is just a brief one to touch about rimless in general. See how the angle, you gotta be real fragile with these things. Try not to rush. That's the number one thing with rimless, is don't rush. So tell a patient, 10, 15 minutes to give yourself time so you're not in a hurry. Now, there's two types of bushings. To the left we got silhouette, to the right we got airlock. Airlock is a little bit thicker. Now depending on the drill mount, Beitler, VRX, whatever they're drilling with, they might be drilling with silhouette. So even though I got an airlock frame, you might be using silhouette bushings. And you'll know by when you put it in, always from the back, there's lots of play. And when you compress it, it's gonna be real loose in the end. You don't want that, you want it to be nice and snug. So to get the right one, I know this is an airlock demo, so it's gonna be an airlock bushing. And we could send some of these bags around. Margate's been hoarding them over here apparently. And so what you wanna do is get a nice clean cut. If you do cut both at the same time, it's harder. Do one at a time. Sometimes I'll pull it, keep pressure in the back, get up close, and snip. Now some of you use tape to protect, and that's all well and good. You don't always have to do it. You don't have to do the razor. I used to do the razor all the time. It's not necessary. Just as long as you grab it, you get close. You don't have to be on top of the lens. Just get close enough, snip it, and pull away. Don't just grab, snip it on top of it. Kind of have a pull sensation. Gets it nice and the tension good and nice and flush. So now we got, what we just did is we kind of closed the holes. Keep your finger in the back the whole time. Grab your trusty thumbtack and don't push it in all the way. You just want to get it partially open just to get it started. Make sure you got the right temple for the right side. It's all in the hands. Line them up and kind of get it started by pushing together with your fingers. This is where your finger push-ups will come in handy. Now to compress, keep the back forward the whole time and then push in. You don't want to push it the other way around. That's when you get the crinkled bushing. Keep that back flush and then push in together. Take your time, don't rush. If something feels off, stop, assess, and do it again. Or you make it so bad that you have to get a brand new bushing. Now with the right bushing, should be pretty flush like that. It's nice and firm. Way to go. And then I think that's pretty much it. Cowabunga.